What's going on? Power Plays Palace. Power Plays Palace. What's going on today, everybody? How y'all doing out there? All right, so let's get down to it. Right now, I can tell y'all right now, if y'all haven't noticed, our market is in somewhat of a free fall because of what's going on all over the world. But as you can see, yesterday we had our breakout loan. We're going to move that to the side. Because pre-market, what happened was yesterday the SPY just it started to go down and it kept going down. Whenever there's some important news and data with jobs and numbers coming out, you gotta understand those all those things affect the market. And we had looked for an entry around 674.20 to 674.90 with a stop above 676. With our targets being 672, 671, and 670. And before the day even got started good, what happened was SPY already went on this mission and pre-market low ended up actually being yesterday. Pre-market low actually being 66691. And so for today, when we look at what happened yesterday, we came in, the market went up briefly to 669, and then it came down here to about 665.41, but it pulled back up, touched this box. Remember this open range breakout box in the first 15 minutes of the day. And so, and once it did that, it came back, it retested, tried to retest, rejected, tried to break out, but then it consolidated. But as it was consolidated, continued to work down, came up, and then FOMC hit and shoom went straight downhill till it ended up the day at 66156. And so that's what we ended up with yesterday. So it went all the way down to 66156 after getting to 669 and just going down with everything going on in the markets and all over the world, oil prices and futures and everything. You can expect a lot of these things to continue to happen to a certain degree. So right now, that's where we are. And that was our chart for yesterday. Let's look at the chart for today. If we can reclaim the 663 area, 663.20, 663.80, and put our stop below 661.80 with our target 661.23, 664.80, and 667.50. And then on the put side, we would get our rejection short at 662.40, 663.05. With our entry at 662.40, 663.20. Our stop loss above 664.40. With the targets being 660.50, 658.80, and 656.96. Um, and that's what we'll be playing today. And what we want to do is we want to be disciplined. Stay in your lane, man. Set your levels and stay disciplined to them. This is not financial advice, but with everything that's going on in the markets, man, my advice to anybody, financial or other, is just to be careful with how you investing. There's a lot that you having to deal with and face, but in these times, what we try to do is make the most of it and not try to go into the market with bias. Some of my common stock taking a hit. This could be some great buying opportunities, and some of my other stock, is on the move. So these are opportunities that we can be looking at and trying to grow from, and I want y'all to take advantage of that. And just know that the market, it does these resets for various different reasons, but once everything levels off, you can see a strong pushback. And if you taking advantage of the pullback, then you might see a great opportunity for growth in your portfolio. And if you have dividend stocks and them stocks paying those dividends every month, especially on the pullbacks, your dividends stay relatively the same, then it gives you the opportunity to gain more shares or more percentage in those stocks as you get your monthly drip or your quarterly drip. So these are all opportunities that you can be looking for when things look bad and bleak, like our market going downhill the way it is. But we got to understand markets react to those geopolitical events. And right now, with a war going on, We in the middle of some very serious geopolitical events, and as you can see, it's doing a horrifying job to our market. So we can reset this now and look at where we are. It's downhill from here. So I can't tell you what to do, but I know what I'll be looking for today. So that's the trade plan for today. It's your boy, man. We out, man. Power Plays, man. If you want to trade with us, come and join the group. We over at Power Plays. It's Power Plays Palace. This is the YouTube channel, but come on over and join the group, man. If you like what we see in the video, man, like, share, subscribe, and really enjoy yourself in this trade market. But man, just know, be safe and be careful. But we out of here, man. It's Power Plays Palace.
Three,